My name is Sheikh Fatimunisa. I am from 2025 batch MTech Thermal Engineering. I am from Andhra Pradesh only. Currently, I am working as a PGT in Alstom from Bangalore.
So hi, hello everyone. Myself is Leher. I am from Rajasthan. I studied in I am from batch of 2023. I did BTech from CSE department. Right now, I'm a Java backend developer at British Telecom.
Hi everyone, this is Bindu Madhav from 2024 batch passed out in computer science and engineering. Currently, I'm working at Dell Technologies in Bangalore.
So college is a place where you meet a lot of people. I met a lot of friends, and most of them are not friends with me anymore. But their memories and lessons stayed with me for my entire lifetime. One of the person I can't name, but I feel that he taught me to be positive, and even in my worst time, I can come out with the best self of myself and just be true to who I am, and I stay that till the date. So that is something that is very good.
The person who truly inspired me in SRM AP was my guide, Dr. Satyapramod Jami. He not only helped me in technical skills but also understanding the life skills also. So he was the one who truly inspired me.
So I have a lot of memories, but one of my favorites were the movie nights that SRM organized on weekends. Like all the people who were in hostel will go, and it's a huge screen, and they'll play Christmas movies or sometimes festival movies. Like I was very far from my home, and those moments make me more close to the home. So those were like one of my most favorite memories from SRM.
In my career in SRM AP, mostly library was the vast resource which I have used in my masters, and also along with that the labs which were available, the computer labs and the facilities. These were the facilities which I have utilized, and they have helped me a lot in my skills enhancement also, and also in my projects, and also in helping in my career.
For me, it was memorable. Like I stayed for 2 years. It's just memorable.
Mostly, I miss a lot like the infrastructure. Of course, the infrastructure is very good. It really helped me understand the university better, and also the culturals and the activities and the technical events. These were the things which I liked the most. It was, of course, the Aloha. It was the event which has helped me understand my colleagues or my friends, and also it was the first event which happened which has helped me understand the college also better. Thank you.
It is very great to be here in Alumni Meet, which is conducted at Bangalore. So it has given me a lot of things, and I have reunited with my old friends, and I have made so many new friends as well. So sessions like this and alumni meets like this will help us to grow in our career and make new bonds. This kind of events will tell us the bond between SRM still exists even though if we are graduated, and it is very great to be here. I can give you an example. So many seniors whom I know in college, I don't know now. Coming to this event, I have met them and make some contacts. So SRM is really helpful in these things. And one thing I can say, SRM is not about only academics, and it is not about only careers. It will help us to grow our mental health as well. So I can see, I have personally learned a lot from SRM AP. So which I can say, like earlier I used to have some stage fear. SRM AP has removed the stage fear from me, and it has built so many confidence in me. And it is not about only academics, it's about making new friends and growing our mental health and connecting with people as well. So this alumni meet really helpful to make so many networking in our places, and it's a very good event, and it's a very good initiative from SRM AP, what I feel. Yeah, thank you.